Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a DIY arch colour block wall feature. I've seen loads of people do these and I've got the perfect wall to do the same. I'm actually using Beige 01 from Lick. I've already used the colour as you can see behind me and the paint is really good quality. It's going to be a very sort of like satisfying video. I'm not going to be talking much, so you can just watch me undress the space, tape everything up and then paint it, and then I'll see you when it's done. So the things I used for this project were masking tape, or also known as frog tape, a spirit level, a pencil, a tape measure, and a piece of string which I then tied onto the pencil twice. I made sure that the string piece was long enough to reach both sides of my arch. And then I also used a small angled brush and of course my Beige 01 paint from Lick. Of course I also used a paint roller and a paint tray, but I didn't actually show those. So basically I've done 2 coats already. I've also done a 3rd coat just to kind of go over some bits. This side has gone a little bit skewy with, so what I'm going to do is actually reapply some more tape on this side. You can kind of see that there's this bit that juts out and then it's like a little like groove in bit. Let me just show you properly. Yes, you can see here it didn't go very well, and then it's gone in a bit here, literally this line here, which, you know, it's my first ever time doing this, so it's not too much of an issue. Also tried to tidy up all of this. Yeah, so I'm gonna go work on this bit a little bit more because it's not so perfect. At this stage, I wasn't really sure if I actually wanted to put the frames back onto this wall because I just loved how much of a statement piece it was on its own. So I'll probably just kind of live with this as is and then kind of see what I want to do with it later down the road. guys, so before I show you the wall, I just want to say, and I've probably already mentioned it in a voiceover, but as I was painting the wall, I kind of realised that I didn't really want all of those photo frames on there, because we have a lot of like square shaped either frames or mirrors on the walls anyway, and I didn't want it to be too frame heavy or squarey, so if that's even a word, squarey. So I'm just gonna live with this for a bit. I'm really happy with it. I've already seen those semicircle half moon wood pieces with macrame cord kind of like hanging off of them, so I quite like the idea of a trio of those. But yeah, let me show you the finished wall. So as you may have spotted, some parts of the arch wall aren't perfect, but what I'm going to do now is actually buy some rock salt white paint just to give it a little bit of a refresh around it and get one of those sides just that little bit smoother and cleaner. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Like I've said, I've never done this before, and I was really worried about it before doing it because I'm not the neatest painter. But yeah, I'm going to tidy all of this horrible stuff away. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and please give the video a like. I shall see you in the next video, guys. Bye!